Today, I will be showing you how to change the voice language in Wuthering Waves. First, make sure you are already inside the game. Once you're in the game, press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will open your profile menu, also known as the terminal. From the terminal menu, click on Settings to access the game options. Inside the Settings menu, look for and click on the chat bubble icon. This section contains language and audio-related settings. Next, scroll down and locate the Voice over Language option. Click on the Language Selection drop-down and choose the voice language you prefer. If the selected language has not been installed yet, the game will prompt you to download the voice pack first. Simply confirm and wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, you can switch to the new voice language immediately, or select another language if you want. And that is how to change the voice language in Wuthering Waves. Thank you for watching.